Hey, this looks kind of like that movie. Just like how it is, how they're launching it.
Okay, yeah, I'm done with these scenes.
Just no cussing, God. Language is going on YouTube.
Oh wow. YouTube.
Shut up, Sydney.
Because people on YouTube have a life.
Touch phone. Yep. No, he's lying.
Dinner!
I'm not liking this.
That wouldn't work.
We go. Professional! Oh God! Hey, look at it this way. At least he still gets a parachute.
That's funny.
Look, your there's your fin.
That didn't work out too well.
Oh, that's your paper. That's your paper that fell out. Your little water.
Here, let me see that.
Amazing your fins were all broken.
Yeah. Oh, that's classic. Say hello to the YouTube nation. Oh God, I gotta get back over here. Scary!
Or eat them before I see them.
Tyler, move out! Move out of the way. Stop it!
Come on, Jose, move!
Jose, move! Get out of the way!
Where'd I go?
What? It didn't pop! There it is! Oh God! That looks really close!
Oh, man.
Why is it going in circles like that? Whee! Up, it finally broke open. Oh, and he caught it! What a professional!
Man, hit my outfit.
I know, it's like, well, I can stare at this one, but it still kind of hurts, because, you know, it's just an instinct.
My God, my hands are wet. I don't know how.
That's sick.
I know.
Your hands are wet, you don't know how?
Yeah.
Well,
Because your mom's gonna see this. Ooh.
You don't know my mom. I'm not worried.
I know your mother.
I know
What's
your
her
name.
I don't know.
I know. She's a brunette.
Sydney. That's her name.
Connection's blonde.
Okay, I know your mom's blonde now. Thanks, Vinny. I know a bit more about your mom.
Okay, now it disappeared. Where's it at? Congratulations. Look at it plummet. Look at it plummet. It's gonna make it. It's gonna. Oh, I thought it was gonna make it. Sydney, move.
Alright, next one.
This is funny if you just laid it on his face.
Tyler, move out the way. Hey, both of you move out of the way.
I don't have to move out of the way. See, I'm too short.
Look, this is Sydney. Sydney's mom. He has been cussing all day.
Hi. Why you right up there?
It's cold.
Well, fine, this is what you get.
Oh! Give me a freaking hit my soft spot, then I'm gonna lose all motor skills.
That's hilarious. I don't even see it.
It went bye-bye.
That's right. It like blew up as it hit the maximum altitude. It's like boom.
Where's it at?
I see it.
Nah, that's out of here.
Oh, there it is.
Not in a car.
Oh!
Close.
I hope I got that. I wasn't even paying attention.
At least you know where your rocket is. Ethan!
Ethan, you missed it, man. That was a rocket flipping in the air.
Can I tell you about it?
Ethan, right there. It's going on YouTube.
Where's my rocket? It's pretty funny. I wish I knew where my rocket was.
We're about to hit that white car.
I know, I've seen that one.
I wish I knew where my rocket went. Mine went over the cafeteria and then I never saw it again.
His name was Apollo 13, and he made it with whiteout, and whiteout's flammable, so we were hoping it was going to blow up in midair.
Yeah.
I put some extra rocket fuel in mine.
Really, you guys have to walk in front of the camera.
Just push it down.
Just touch the battery. Just.
This is why we need buttons. It's easier. All you have to do is press launch. And
Why does it look so weird?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Bye bye.
There goes the fin!
Oh.
Up! Now how are we gonna get
I
that?
wanted to make one without a parachute in it. Drop the boot.
We did that with a wooden one last year.
Next one.
Someone had to dive out of the way just so they wouldn't get hit by a wooden.
You better get in there. Look down my school. I'll launch mine once she's done launching yours. How about that?
I bet this doesn't even go anywhere.
Mine's the best one built-ly made, man.
I better stay put in one spot.
It just blows up.
I will do it. You gotta go ask.
But it does. It's gonna stay in one spot. Not gonna go up. Probably just gonna stay there.
Maybe.
No, that's your job.
You know, baby, so I would go up and come down at you.
My ears are
I
cold.
thought that thing just would flip over whenever she liked it. If it flips over named me, I'm nervous. I wanna run down through that freaking trench.
Dang, this video is 6 minutes long. Longest video I've ever made. Hey, Jose, hold on to it. Maybe it'll take you off with it.
I'm back up. And hope it doesn't go.
Press the button.
Human right there on the rock.
He's flipping everyone off.
I don't have to.
Yeah. I got his little finger.
Lifting everybody off. Go up into the sky. Disappears.
Put it on and hold it.
I'm so cold.
Put it on and hold it. Don't let it, once you touch it, leave it on there.
I think that one's good.
Hi, people.
Right there with the
Hi, random people. You guys are going on YouTube.
Oh, crap, man. I think that was the one where...
Cody, wear some real lady clothes. Finger.
What's it? Alright, man, now you have to put yours in after he gets done.
Oh, yeah. I forgot to do mine. Is that the 2-wing one?
Yep. Mr. Correct.
Everyone take cover. Just putting that out there.
Yeah, come on, Brad.
Alright. That thing flips over on me, man.
I don't want to stand too close to that one.
I want to get it.
Sydney, move.
That one has 2 wings. Oh, crap, man. I bet that's going to go all over the place. George.
Now maybe what?
Oh, it's still going. Oh, okay. Bradley, the man, yeah. Bradley, we should put both of them on there at the same time.
Did yours work? No. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I'm doing it right now. I'm not doing it tomorrow. We're not going to be here tomorrow.
Monday.
That's still smoking. I don't trust it. All the smoke is from that one little rocket. Just launch it, Bradley. Don't even say 3, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2.
1, go! Hit the one without the copper on it. What? Put the thing on the one without the copper on it.
Alright. Next one.
I'll do it.
I think you're going to
Where that's gone. Did that one land on the school?
Yeah.
Richard, I'm going to bend this wire a little bit so where it's not going.
Yeah, here, hold my phone for me. Hey, record this. Hey.
I'll do it.
2 phones on it.
Somebody's going to rock me.
Yeah, some boy just flew way the hell over there. One flew just over there. That one boy flew way. Tyler, one flew way over there. Recorded this 20 minutes ago. Whose phone is it? Charlie? Okay. Do I just go like that up or sort of race this stuff?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hold on, wait. I already got it.
Wait.
Wait.
You ready?
Wait. That's all you gonna watch? Wait.
What are we waiting on? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put it on the little one. Push and hold.
Martin. He goes, get him to freaking out. No, I don't think he wants Mr. Fret in it. That's scared. He don't want Mr. Fret. He says he put it over here on him. You hold it. Where do I hold it? Right there. Just hold it. Earthquake. Yeah, I did it. You did? Yeah. Probably went all the way over there.
All right, we're ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shoot, dude, I missed it. I missed it. It flew it. There it is.
Right.
It hit the ground now.
Next one.
You couldn't even see it. You look like this phone.
Is that everybody?
Here you go, Charlie.
Give me mine.
Still recording it.
It's still recording.
Oh, God.
A stick.
Denise! Goodbye!
Nice little guy I drew. And this is where the video stops. This is Flippin' Sweet 90, or 14, with another important video from my broadcast.